Let's review a few things. So, when we're filming with a smartphone, let's turn the airplane mode on or the focus to turn off the notifications. Let's avoid zooming. Let's instead use the sneaker zoom. Go closer to the object. Plan your movements. Avoid impulsive filming, which means think about what you're going to be filming. Take 2 seconds before the action starts to record and continue filming for 2 or more seconds after the action stops. And also stabilize your body during the filming. So those are those important things that we need to think about when we're filming with our smartphones. And then if you want to send your videos somewhere, make sure that you don't send them through social media like Messenger, Viber, WhatsApp. All those social media platforms will convert the videos, will shrink them a little bit. If you want to share some videos with anyone, send them through platforms like WeTransfer or SendBig or Google Drive so that the files stay in their original size. Few more things about how to plan for your video. I would strongly advise you, before you film anything, take your sketchbook or anything that you might need to write down few points that you need to consider. What do we want to accomplish with the video? What is important for the viewer? What is important for the person who is going to watch the video? What do you think they want to know? What needs to be included and what can be left out of the video? Think about that. And also a very, very important thing when you're filming people, do make sure that you have a consent. Don't just film people without explaining at least what you're going to do and asking them for permission. Carry with you a paper, consent form, and ask those people to give you consent form with their full name at least and contact number and their signature, so that you know that they consented you to show it in public. Now let's learn how to plan and produce a story briefly. The storytelling is a very important part of the good video, of a good film. So make different clips that will answer these simple questions. Who, what is that you're showing me? Where are we, or where was the place that this happened? When did it happen? How did this happen? How is a very important question or a very important starting point, because this is where you will need to explain, describe the whole thing that you're trying to show me. These things, these questions will give you the elements to build a powerful story. So mark these questions down and keep them in your mind whenever you're going to be producing a story, a film. Now let's talk about basic, simple shot pattern. What kind of video clips can you use to edit into the video that you're going to be making? One is, for example, close-up of some action. Let's say hands, let's say legs, or some details that you're going to be using or talking about in your video. It's a very useful shot, and usually we use close-ups, so you go closer to the object. Then you have a close-up of the face of a person. This is going to create emotions, and it's a very, very useful shot pattern to use in a video, if of course they're comfortable with it. Maybe interaction of this person with another person and so on. Okay, then you have wide shot. Wide shot is a very important shot in the story. It's going to tell us the context. Then you have these shots of over the shoulder that I talked about before, so maybe you can move around behind someone when they're walking, follow someone, change perspective, shoot behind the back with your smartphone, film them. Those kind of shots. Then you have, explore different perspective, explore different angles. With your phone, as I said before, you're able to move, go on the floor, take your phone on the floor, turn it around, look for details that you can film, look for different perspectives. Even from the floor up, you can create nice shots. Or take your phone in your hands and go up above your head and find a corner in the room where you can capture basically a whole happening in the room, in the location.